Chapter 5 Sound of Vowel I. Hello, little stars. Welcome back to another fun class. Today, we will learn the short I sound. The short I sounds. Let's read some words that have the short I sound. In words: tin, bin, pin, fiend, wonderful. Ill words: pill, bill, mill, hill. Excellent. Ing words: wing, king, ring, sing. Amazing. Ice words: rice, mice, lice, dice. Perfect. Read and say aloud: lip, beep, hip, rip, tip, nip, kip. Bin, tin, din, gin, fiend, pin, win. Fill, bill, mill, hill, kill, till, pill. Sight, bite, night, might, right, light, tight. Great job, kids.